This is Miss Lynn, and I just want to take a few moments to introduce to you the I Love Chinese monthly subscription box. I have a lot of questions from parents, and some are requesting to get some more details about the box, so I decided to make a video. So first of all, you open up the box. This is our June box teaching 水火土. And let's take a look at what's inside. So first of all, we have an instruction booklet that helps you assemble the crafts, and we have some game ideas inside. And we have a worksheet booklet that's related to the words of the month. And we have a story for each of the words for the kids to practice reading. For example, let's take a look. We have 小水滴跳跳跳. And then we have 火大火小火. They're pretty simple, and the idea is for the kids to have confidence in reading Chinese. And then we have a game packet. In our game packet, we have 4 games. So this is our 水火土 game. They could play matching. And then we have a fire extinguishing game. So the kids could put some water in the water gun and they could put out the fire according to the numbers. And then we have a fishing game where they could fish for the water animals. They could learn the water animals and have fun with 水. And we also have flashcards in our game packet. Different cards for them to practice 土地粘土泥土挖土机. Yeah, and they're pretty cute. So we have 4 crafts in our craft pack. So we have, for this box, we have a 山水画, where they could experience Chinese traditional art. We'll have stickers for them to stick on this base template. And then we'll have some tissue paper for them to glue to get a good understanding of 火. We also have a tool craft where they get little carrots and they get to learn the Chinese numbers and put it into the soil, 放在土里, to get an understanding of what soil does and what grows in soil. And, oh, this is a really fun craft I love. So we have a plant growth chart and a little clay pot with seeds and soil for the kids to grow a bean plant and to know the different stages in Chinese. So what's special about the I Love Chinese subscription box is that we not only provide you with the materials to help your kids learn Chinese at home, we provide free video lessons online. Come and join us and have fun. Create quality time with your children and build wonderful memories in learning Chinese. Thank you.